Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well. Friends, what investors want before they invest? Have you ever wondered what investors really look for before they decide to invest? Most business owners think the answer is simply a great business opportunity. But in reality, investors are looking at much more than the opportunity itself. When investors look at the potential investment, one of the first things they want to understand is who is behind the opportunity. Do you have the experience? Do you have a track record? And perhaps most importantly, are you personally committed to making the investment successful? Then comes the opportunity itself. There is a real market. Is there a competitive advantage? And is there is a clear reason why this business or project can create value? But there is another question that is often overlooked. Where is the investor's money actually going? A strong investment case should clearly explain how the capital will be used, how the capital is expected to create value. Then, of course, investors look at the numbers, financial statements, cash flow projection, existing obligations, and whether the assumption behind the projections are realistic. But here's what I believe is one of the most important questions: how the investors ultimately get their money back. It could be through cash flow, a refinancing, a sale, and acquisition, or another clearly defined exit strategy. Whatever the structure, investors want to understand the path to their return. Here, key lesson is I've seen many businesses spend a lot of time preparing a beautiful pitch deck, but not enough time preparing the investment case behind the pitch. And there is a big difference. A great pitch can create interest. Preparation creates confidence. So if you are preparing to raise capital, don't just ask, how can I impress the investors? Ask, what questions will the investor ask? And am I prepared to answer them? Because the strongest investment opportunities don't just tell investors what they should where they should invest, why they should invest. They show investor why the opportunity makes sense, how their capital will be used, what are the risks, and how they can ultimately realize a return. Hi, I'm Chirag Sheth, founder and CEO of Investors Network Group. Prepare the investment case, not just the pitch. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.